Good morning! So this video is all about the importance of having a good, lovely, early morning routine. Yes, early morning. Well, it can be any kind of morning you want, really. But I prefer early morning because I get more done. Like, for example, today, this is the third video I have filmed. It's only 10:30 in the morning. What? This is madness. I'm so good at things, but that's only because I got up early. Yesterday I didn't get out of bed until 1:30. Pregnancy. When the baby comes, I'll be up at 5 a.m. every day, maybe even earlier. Maybe for longer, maybe I won't go to bed. Who knows? I don't know how it's going to be at all. I just know I'm going to be tired, and that's why I want to create a morning routine that benefits me, and the importance of having that morning routine to make things lovely for when I am awake, because nobody wants to wake up early in the morning. Nobody. Like, if nobody's a morning person, they just get up early. Like my friend Tara, my oldest and goldest, but she's always been a morning person and I've always been a lazy cow. But every time I stay over at her house, it always baffles me. She'll stay up until like 11 o'clock midnight, but wake up at 6 a.m. every day, and she feels great, and I don't know how she does it, because I hate waking up in the morning. I hate it. I hate it with a burning passion. At the moment, with Ethan teaching and not being at uni, because he's on placement, he gets up really early because his commute is long. So he gets up and I get up with him. Or I've started to get up with him. I'm trying to get up with him. Hopefully soon I'll be able to get up before him, because I want to be one of those 5 a.m. people, you know, one of them really smug bastards who are like, I get up at 5 a.m. and I talk to the birds and I meditate and my life is wonderful. I want to be one of those people. But the only way I'm going to be one of those people is if I create a morning routine that I want to do. Because I don't want to get up and stretch and meditate and do all of my working out. That's not something I enjoy. I'm a night worker-outerer, if I work out at all. So doing it in the morning just doesn't make sense to me, because I'm a night showerer. So why would working out in the morning benefit me? It doesn't fit into my routine at all. Why would I want to get rid? But the reason you get up early in the morning should always be because you want to, and because it's time for yourself, which is really beneficial if you are trying to start your own business off the back of a 9 to 5, or if you are a parent and the kids wake up at 6:30 in the morning and you're like, oh shit, not alone again. And you're not alone until you pack them off to school, but when you pack them off to school you have to go to work. It's terrible, it's awful. So you need a morning routine that works for you, that makes you want to get up early in the morning, that makes you look forward to getting out of bed. So the first reason why you need a custom early morning routine is so you can start the day on your own terms. Start the day on your own terms and not somebody else's. So the reason you're waking up early is not so you can get that pile of laundry done, not so you can give the house a good clean before everyone wakes up and messes it up again, not so you can start your job early or answer emails or do any of that crap. You need to get up and do something you enjoy. If you're someone who finds it really hard to have you time, get up early and do it in the morning. But the importance of having you time, like by the time everyone's gone to bed, you're too tired and you fall asleep on the sofa. So get up in the morning and do it all then. If you get up before everyone else, you can have a good hour or two to yourself before you have to start doing other people's stuff. And it makes a huge difference to your day when you're not giving yourself to somebody else all the time. It's draining, it's annoying. You need to refill your own cup, otherwise you can't do anything for anyone else. You're just too bollocks. But then also you've had a terrible day. So what have you done today? Well, loads of shit for other people. Have you done anything for yourself? No, I'm grumpy and I want to go to sleep. It's just not fair on you. So you can use this time in the morning to work on yourself, work on your business, work on your hobby, work on something that you have always wanted to do. Do you want to write a book? Do it in the morning. Do you want to start your own business and get away from the 9 to 5? Do it in the morning. Do you want to learn Italian? Do it in the morning. Leave like other people You only need an extra an hour to an hour and a half. Do it in the morning, get it done, because doing an hour or an hour and a half or whatever is better than doing nothing. It means you can choose to have a good day, because by the time you go to work or by the time everybody else has woken up, you've spent a couple of hours on yourself. Do your skincare, have a shower, put your makeup on, like, do something nice for you. But make it custom. Like, don't look at other people's morning routines online and go, oh, well, I need to get up at 5 a.m. and start stretching and have a coffee and have a shower and do my 9-step skincare routine and then do some yoga and then, I don't know, journal my feelings. Like, you don't have to do any of that. Make it specific to what you want to do. I get up, I have some of my really nice coffee, because I have a coffee machine now. Ethan got me one for Christmas. So I have a nice mug of my nice coffee. I bullet journal, because I really like bullet journaling. It relaxes me, but it also gets me in the right mindset for the day. If there's anything I want to do, or if there's anything I've been thinking about at night, I get it down, I get it out of the way. And then I watch a couple of YouTube videos and then I go to work. Like, it doesn't have to be anything complicated, it just has to be something you look forward to. Sometimes I do my makeup if I'm filming or anything. I don't do my makeup if I'm not, but sometimes I like to do my makeup. I like to do a little bit of skincare. Like, it just depends how I'm feeling in the morning, but I make it custom and I don't necessarily have a routine. Apart from, the only things that are consistent is coffee and wash your face. Everything else, I just kind of figure it out as the morning takes me, because all I want to do is take a couple of hours to myself. So I get up and I do that, and it's nice. I have a nice day if I do that. It makes mornings good. Mornings suck. Nobody likes mornings. But if you start off on the right foot, and you do something for yourself and you recharge your own batteries, then you have a good day. It makes sense. Like, I always had a better day at work if I'd taken my time to get ready in the morning. If I'd got up 45 minutes before I was meant to go, like, shoveled down my breakfast, had a quick shower, put a face of makeup on, got dressed and ran out of the door, I had a terrible day. But if I got up, I have the Calm app, and that gives me some really good morning motivation. You can listen to one of their morning meditations while you get ready. You don't have to sit there and like listen to it in silence, but having it on in the background does help you. I used to listen to ones that are like, have a good day at work, yay, when I used to work a crappy retail job, or when I used to commute a lot. I used to listen to something like that and it would help me get in the right mindset, otherwise I'd be miserable all day. But if you take the time for yourself in the morning, you have a better day. It's just fact. You can accomplish so much more by having that nice morning routine. Like, my morning routine only takes about half an hour. Put the kettle on, have my nice coffee, have some breakfast, splash my face with some water to wake me up. I tend to do that in the morning rather than actually like wash and scrub my face, and I found out it's cleared out my skin really well. I splash my face with water in the morning, cold water to wake me up, then I put some moisturiser on. If I'm going outside, I put SPF on. Look after your skin with sunscreen. Sometimes I put a little bit of makeup on. I have some breakfast, I make a coffee. While my coffee is like, I will make my breakfast, or I will put a little bit of makeup on, or I will do that quick wash and moisturise. You can multitask and make it like last half an hour or 20 minutes, and then go and do something you really want to do, like write 500 words of your book, or do 20 minutes studying Italian, or just sit and drink your coffee in peace without being climbed on by kids. Like, you don't have to do anything specific or mad or anything like that. You just have to do something nice for yourself in the morning. Like, a lot of people will tell you need to do hundreds of magical things in the morning. You don't. Like, especially to start off, you need to do little, start small, and then work your way up to the mad, doing like planks and stretchers on your kitchen counter and stuff like that. You can work your way up to bizarre morning routines, but start with like maybe 2 steps. Have coffee, wash face. Nice things. Then once you've done that consistently for a few weeks, add something else into your morning routine. have coffee, wash face, read for 10 minutes. Read your book for 10 minutes. Like, add things as you go and swap out if it's not working for you. You don't have to be like, well, I'm a failure because I don't want to do yoga in the morning. No, it's just not what works for you. Swap it out. Replace it with something else. Replace it with something you actually enjoy. Yoga's nice, yeah, and it's lovely and relaxing. It stops you having bad posture and it does strengthen your body a lot. But if you're just getting started, you don't need to be you don't need to be bending in weird positions when you're just starting to put yourself together. A lovely custom morning routine. Focus on the word custom. It needs to be for you. Now, if you want to know more about how to create a lovely morning routine, I do have a printable. I will leave it in the description, about how to plan a nice morning routine and then reflect on whether or not it's working for you or not. You can track what's working, track what's not, replace what's not, and then by the end of like a 30-day period, it's like a 30-day challenge to a lovely morning routine, all in a printable. I will leave that below for you, so you can plan your own morning routine, chop and change stuff, and by the end of the 30 days, you will have what looks like the start of a good custom morning routine. So enjoy. I will see you next week. I post videos every Friday at 6 p.m. I also post videos every other Tuesday on my true crime channel, which will be linked below, as will my course, as will the printable, as will all my social media. Go mad! Oh, the description is a lovely place. I will see you next week.